don't know if anyone of you was watching the King's speech in Congress. I think it'll be okay. I think basically just a covering so the dirt can't fly up between the tank and the back of the car. So put another hole punch, another hole for the return fuel line goes through here. So it's going to come up from the back front of the car into here. This goes around the fuel tank. This goes around the evaporation hoses and the can. Hopefully I get it pretty close. Well, this stuff ain't coming off very well. It's covering and it won't come off. Now these are breather hoses and they gotta go down there. Let's go! Let's see if this fits. I just drilled 2 holes in here if it wasn't recording.
Let's go!
Stick them in there and see how it looks. Like that. What I need is to get the battery one in there, but I've got to take this off. So I need to get some big rubber grommets for all this stuff. Alright, so that's all my fuel pump wires and an extra ground, so it's grounded at the pump and on the chassis. So I'm going to sort of apologise. Right now, this next couple of days really have been pretty slow because I've been working on the back of this car here. Nothing really exciting, just fixing where the spare wheel goes, where the fuel pump sits inside the fuel tank, shoring it all up so it can only, if it does leak, it only stays in contained area. It'll run out the back of the car. It won't actually, the fuel won't be inside the car if there's a problem with any of the lines or the system or the pump. And because it's a wagon, I did elect to put the pump inside the fuel tank. We had originally had it outside the pump outside the fuel tank, but that's really old school. All new cars have the pump in the tank, so that's what I've converted it to. So if you watched my couple of videos ago how I've made new rings for the pump and how I sit it in the fuel tank. So hopefully it's not too boring for you, but I got to get all this done. Again, it's to document the car as well, not just for the YouTube channel. It's just documenting what I'm doing to this car and how I'm doing it, so if someone gets a good idea, if they want to buy it, they kind of know what's been going on and how I fixed it. Okay, carry on. Had to build me a relay holder. It's going to go up under the car here, and these relays are going to go on it. The hard bit is going to be drilling in there. This is my cable holder. I'm still at it. You can probably hardly see me. ghostly looking probably. There's some more light on the subject. So these are fuel sender wires from what I can remember. There's 3 of them. The live, the ground, and I think the other one's just the information for the resistance. I can't remember them being 3 connectors on the back of the fuel tank, I don't care. Mind you, I'm going back 35 years now. So, that's what it's going to look like when it's done. Spare wheel. All this painted black in here, that'll be silver, white, computer, nothing on here. I think that'll look acceptable. What do you think? And probably my next tackle is going to be this transmission. It's been leaking oil out the shifter seal here. I tried doing it in the car before I decided to take the whole thing apart.